Hi, this is a follow-up tutorial on the first video we did about 5 years ago. I think we were due to do a second one. So I'm going to go ahead and empty all the contents of the Tailwag wallet right now so I can show you how to better use it. As you know, the wallet is a two-piece wallet. You have a clip and you have a compartment storage piece that work together. The clip can slide onto the first compartment or onto the second compartment to create more or less pressure on the outside. A lot of people choose to only carry one or two or three cards. So if you use these often, you want to carry those on the clip. By creating more pressure, you allow things to be tighter on the outside. If you want less pressure, then you can put it on the first compartment. So in my case, I choose to carry my cards on the clip. I have about 9 or 10 of them between different credit cards, ATM cards, ID, etc. right there. That creates a lot of pressure, so I really don't need a whole lot of things on the inside. However, I do carry things on the inside like my Costco card, Sam's Club card, health insurance, dental, and also I like having paper copies of my car insurance as well, just in case. So all of those can be packed like this, and I can put them on the inside compartment, in between that compartment piece and the clip itself. If I do that, it creates a lot more pressure on the outside, so things here on the clip are gonna be tighter. If I don't need that much pressure because I carry more cards, then I can put those things that I stuffed on the inside on the outside, and that relieves some of that pressure, okay? So as you can tell, this is very nice and tight now. I still have one compartment free on the outside. So what I do with that is, even though I don't use cash on a regular basis, I like having it just in case for tips or valet or contributions whenever there's charity events, etc. And I also like carrying some business cards with me, even though that's a thing of the past anymore. So I fold the cash in 3. I have the business cards in the middle, and then I put those on the outer compartment. If I need cash, I simply slide my thumb up and it gives me access to that cash. If I need business cards, I turn around, I slide my thumb, and that gives me access to those business cards easily. So that's the way you can kind of organize things, and it keeps things very, very nice and tight. As you can tell, there's a lot of things packed here, but everything's still very nice and compact. There's no right or wrong way to use it. A lot of people carry the cash on the clip, the cards on the inside. Play around with it and see which way works best for you. Thank you.